Hello and welcome to the MAC weather page for this Thursday, August 3rd. And the question is, did they name the calf Gene? Certainly a pretty amazing photo out there from yesterday. And as far as the headlines go, we expect plenty of precipitation to move into the area. We expect showers and scattered thunderstorms during the morning hours to become more widespread as the afternoon moves on. And I think a real good shot at showers and thunderstorms all the way through tomorrow morning. And again, most areas will pick up a good solid half inch to an inch across much of the area, 6 to 9 tenths. And again, if you get under some of those thunderstorms, you could pick up quite a bit more rain than that. But it looks like a pretty good rainfall for the entire area, and there may even be a slight chance of some severe weather. We'll take a look at that in just a moment. And again, a fall-like weekend coming up with highs only in the 70s. And as far as the extended outlook, you can see a very cold pocket of air across much of the center of the nation here during the extended outlook, with moisture being near to maybe a little above normal. Where that heat and the cool meet, that's where we're going to see quite a bit of precipitation. Right now, the best bet would be across the Ohio and Tennessee Valley into the mid-Atlantic states. And if we look at the slide this morning, very hazy out there. This photo doesn't really do it justice. We even had some fog around the area. And again, we expect very humid conditions to continue right on into tomorrow morning. And then as that front sweeps through, we'll see temperatures in the 70s, breezy conditions, and drier air moving in. But again, we have a chance of some scattered thunderstorms as we get into Sunday and Monday as well. Best bet looks like Saturday should be the nicest day of the weekend, although it will again be on the chilly side. You can see the precipitation amounts from yesterday, not a whole lot. And again, we need this number here to make my forecast correct. Needs to be somewhere in this range. And I think we'll probably be in that range here. I expect quite a bit of rainfall later on today into tonight. And again, the best chance of the heaviest rain and maybe even some severe weather looks like it'll be around between 3 or 4 o'clock in the afternoon to about 10 or 11 tonight. If we look at the, again, a graphical format showing the rain that's fallen so far, and if we look at the current conditions out there this morning, again, it's very humid out there with temperatures in the low to mid 60s. And again, if we look at the record high for today, 99 degrees back in 1988, and that was on a Wednesday. Tuesday, back on this date in 1988, we had a high of 101 yesterday. And then tomorrow, we had another record high of 99 back on Thursday, back on August 4th, 1988. Again, a pretty warm spell, 3 days of temperatures around 100 degrees back in 1988. You can see on radar this morning some of these scattered showers and thunderstorms that will be developing and popping overhead here during the morning hours. And then as this front and low pressure system continues to move eastward, we'll see more widespread showers and thunderstorms develop this afternoon, and especially for this evening and tonight when the heaviest rains are expected. If we look at the weather map this morning, you can see a couple of low pressure systems keeping that front near the area. And again, as this low pressure system moves east, it'll try to push this front just a little bit farther to the north. Again, the best chance will be during the afternoon and evening hours for severe storms. But by the time they move in here, it'll be probably in a slightly weakening stage, but we expect quite a bit of rainfall from some of these storms. And then tomorrow, the severe weather redevelops off to our east. So as far as rainfall, we look good, but as far as severe weather, that also looks good, as it should miss us both to the west today and to the east tomorrow. And again, once this front moves through, it's going to become quite windy tomorrow afternoon with wind gusts around 20 to 30 miles per hour, maybe even higher than that, with that cool air funneling in as that high pressure system moves out of Canada into the region. And for Saturday, it looks like the best day with plenty of sunshine, cool temperatures in the low 70s with a little bit on the breezy side. And as we look at the severe weather outlook for day one, this will be for tonight for much of the area from around 4 o'clock to 10 o'clock, give or take a couple of hours. Looks like a marginal risk from around the Ludington, Manistee area over towards Cullowhee, Pinconning, Standish, All Grays area, and areas to the south. Again, that would be the best chance of some severe weather in our area, and that also would include southwest Ontario as well. As far as precipitation, again, we still been pretty consistent. Looks like about a half inch to an inch, 6 to 9 tenths. And again, the total forecast for the next 7 days, again, around an inch altogether when all is said and done. As far as the forecast, you can see temperatures today in the upper 70s across the far northern, northwestern areas to the mid 80s as you get into southeast lower Michigan. And again, thunderstorms become quite likely today and tonight, and then they'll gradually diminish during the day tomorrow with much cooler, windier conditions, highs 70 to 75. And then for Saturday and Sunday, it looks like Saturday, the best day with mostly sunny skies, highs in the low, maybe to mid 70s, and in the mid 70s for Sunday with a chance of showers and thunderstorms moving in by the afternoon hours, and some of those will linger into Monday again with highs in the low to mid 70s and overnight lows in the 50s. So it'll feel quite a bit more like early or mid-September weather as we go through the weekend. Thanks for stopping by and have yourself a great day, and 73s to all.